Hello friends, hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm checking out this box of Flameless LED candles. So we have a few different sizes here. There are 4 of these larger ones. They come with a nice little battery thing here. You just set it in there and turn it and that'll lock it in place. So I'm gonna have to fix some batteries in here. So there's 4 of these largest ones, and then there's 3 of the smaller size, and then 2 of the other ones. So this is about 6'4", 6'5", and 4 inches-ish on that. And it also comes with 2 remote controls. Let's get some batteries in here real quick and show you guys what it looks like. I just happen to have some Amazon basics. I'll do the first one and then we'll just get them all done real quick here. So these take AA batteries, obviously. Just push the flat end on the spring and push that down. Same thing with this. And then you can turn the light on. It's already in the on position. Simply put the bottom back on and turn it clockwise to lock it in place once you have the screw down enough, just like that. So we'll do that to the rest of them. A nice little glow already on that one. So let's get these all set up here. Okay friends, got a set up here in the bedroom and it looks pretty cool. Actually puts out quite a bit of light, as you can see, and it changes the atmosphere nicely. So if the power goes out or whatever, you can set these to flicker like they are right now, or switch them to just regular light. So I have set these to just regular on light, and these ones over here are doing their little flicker thing. So that's kind of nice. And then we can change the brightness if you want. Turn this up a little brighter or dimmer. All right, so as you can see, you can kind of change that a lot. There's one that came as a different kind of light and it doesn't affect it by the remote or anything. But anyways, looks pretty cool, I think. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day out there, and I will see you all next time.